Hello and welcome to this exciting course in which we are going to be building more than 50 real-world application projects with the help of Python programming language. These projects will not only help you to understand how Python programming works, but you will also get practical based knowledge of how to create end-to-end applications with the help of Python programming language. So whether you are a beginner in Python programming and stuck with the basics of Python and want to gain practical based knowledge of Python programming and build different projects using it, so this course will be perfect for you. Or whether you are a seasoned programmer with the skills of Python programming language and want to expand your portfolio and your skill set, then this course will be perfect for you. Throughout this course, we are going to be building more than 50 real-world application projects with the help of Python programming. You will not only understand how to build these projects, but you will also have the idea to create your own unique projects as well. We are going to be creating application varying from beginner level to intermediate to advanced level application with the help of Python programming, varying from chatbots to creating screenshot application. Apart from that, we are going to be creating AI-based applications as well. So if you are ready to embark on this exciting journey of building AI application with the help of Python programming, then what are you waiting for? Click on that enroll button. Get started now. I'm waiting for you on the flip side.